I love this bread pudding recipe. To me, it is the best. It is so homey and warm and delicious. I love the way my house smells when I'm making it. Nothing smells better than cinnamon baking in the oven and wafting through the house. That'll get my family out of bed. It's made with ingredients that I almost always have on hand: some leftover bread or rolls, milk, half and half, eggs, and some simple spices from my pantry. When you're making the custard for this bread pudding, make sure that your eggs are whisked really well. You don't want to see any separation between the whites and the yolks, or you'll end up with a scrambled egg texture in your custard, and nobody wants that. If you're wondering what kind of bread or rolls to use for your bread pudding, if it'll make a good French toast, it'll be great for your bread pudding. A nice white bread or egg bread or roll is going to be best for soaking in that custard. A crusty artisan bread is not going to soak it in as quickly, and you'll have a different texture in your bread pudding. After we toss the cubed bread with our custard mixture, we're going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. You want that good custard to soak into those bread cubes. I love to make this for a holiday breakfast. My family will get out of bed to that good smell in the morning of the cinnamon and nutmeg wafting through the house. But I also think it's a great dessert. The sauce that we put on top of this bread pudding is so sweet and delicious and buttery. My guests love it for dessert. This recipe has very simple ingredients, but you can certainly add other variations to make it your own. I like to stir in some chocolate chips and some dried cherries for a really delicious combination. You can also put in nuts and raisins, a little orange zest, or whatever your family likes best. If you have any leftover bread pudding, and you might not, cut it into squares and warm it in a pan with a little butter, toasting both sides of it. It has such a great texture. You'll like it left over, maybe even a little more than you did when it first came out of the oven. You're going to want to try this nice homey bread pudding. It's going to make you feel like you've done something really special for the people that you're serving it to.